Okay, so I'm going to try and build up Galois theory kind of from the beginning. So we're going to need the definition of a group. So if you got a set, you have to have an operation on it, and you have to have an identity element in the set. And it has to have the properties that any x, y in G, when you do the group operation, that's in the set G. If you multiply three elements from G, the multiplication has to be associative. So if you multiply x, y, z, where y, z you multiply first, then you multiply by x, or you multiply x times y and then multiply by z, they'll be equal. You have to have an identity in your group where x times e equals e times x. I'm using times for whatever the group operation is, equals x. And for all elements in your group G, there exists a y in G such that x times y and y times x is the identity. So in words, your group has to be closed under the operation, associative, have an identity, and have inverses. I'm not going to use star always for the operation. For x star y, I'm just going to write xy, and the operation will be understood from whichever set we're using. Whatever kind of multiplication's defined where we're at, it'll be understood. Mostly that'll be the notation. So you need to know, to have a group for a set, it has to be closed, associative, have an identity, and have inverses. That's it. Closed, associative, identity, and inverses. Thank you. We'll have examples next.